Bennett, and you're watching Big Bennett TV. Guys, today's the day. Austin's exhaust repair, as you've seen last video, last exhaust video, didn't do too good. He's got to fix it up. Car's all jacked up, very safely, I guess you could say. And he's in here. Yeah, I got the blower. That's what's got to get thrown out. Got the fridge in here. And there's Oz grinding the metal away here. Yeah, use the layout. You always gotta have a layout. You can't just be cutting blind. And he's gonna actually roll this. He's gonna roll this so that not hard to tell. It smells like metal in here, but no, seriously, Austin's gonna roll this now and use this to keep his exhaust up, so he can go friggin' back home. Just gonna use this jig right here. This is called the Austin jig dinner. This is how Austin uses his roller. Just beating it. He has a lot of experience with rolling. I've rolled one or two, I think. Exhaust? Circles. Cylinders. Oh, man. There you go. You look like you're going pretty good, eh, Yeah, I mean, homemade is homemade, whether you make it or you don't. We got 1/2 circle here now. Friggin' Austin's been driving for a day now, and what happened with this Band-Aid? Well, this is an update. Well, the Band-Aid is all good, but on the other end, it just fell off. Like oh shoot, I didn't even see that. Wow. So yeah, that's today's. So what's your plan of action of fixing this? I'm gonna grind it down until like the metal is solid, and then I'm probably just gonna jimmy rig some metal around it and fill it up so the exhaust is like hold on. Wow. Yeah, that's just not very good, eh? That broke right off. I should just take it off and just be short pipe. Actually, Aust, maybe it would be a good idea to cut that bracket off with the grinder. That one right there. This one? Yeah, and then unbolt that one, and then just run a piece of straight pipe all the way there and clamp it, and maybe that'd be good. Well, because that'll get rid of this piece of rotten metal. Yeah. Well, and it'll probably sound better too with this. I don't really have a steel pipe right now, but if I can salvage one, I think I would definitely cut this off and then replace it with a straight pipe. Overall, though, everything else seems to be pretty good. Yeah, everything else is pretty good. Other than this ain't moving until you get it put back up. Yeah. Oh, man. Yeah, I was looking at the tape and I was like, you know what? Maybe I should save the tape for, like, something where I need it, because I can just fix this shit permanently until another hole blows out somewhere, because this fucking thing's rusted all to hell. Jeez. It needs a new exhaust. So Austin's got his work cut out for him, guys. But I keep on grinding. So guys, I guess what Austin's going to do is he's going to jack the car up. And he's going to take the whole exhaust off the back from the from after the catalytic converter to be able to work on it a little bit better. That's the game. That's the game plan. Because right now, there's no possible way you can get in there.
Fuck, I'm not sure where would be a good place to fucking put it.
Just put it on the frame. Yeah, right there.
I don't think it's on the frame right there, is it?
We'll pump it up. We'll give it a couple pumps.
It's not going up at all, is it?
We'll be right back. Yeah, off the camera, Austin's
It fell.
yeah.
It slid off the jack.
It slid.
But it slid onto.
Yep, she's still sliding. I guess at certain points in your life, you just gotta give her the old slip.
Slip and slide. There I glide.
But I mean, right now, she had a good working position. Because you can get the exhaust off pretty good there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's pretty much as high as she gets, eh? We're in a stance position.
Yeah.
We're rock crawling. Well, before the wind knocks us over, should get some more safety features.
I mean, this thing is solid. Super solid. Yeah, I had to reposition myself. Austin just checked, what, the shock is good though on the right rear? You see any leakage or anything, Aus?
Any cracks or leakage?
Yeah, like any seepage or liquid coming out of the shock?
I don't see any liquid coming out of the shock, no.
Okay, what about the ball joints? Those are good?
Is this the ball joint right here?
Yep.
Well,
Does it have any play or?
No, everything's pretty tight.
Alright, I guess all we gotta do is do that exhaust work, because this car will probably last another year to year and a half once we get the exhaust going.
Yeah, I mean, it's not as bad as I thought it was, actually.
It really isn't. Like, you think, like, because you see like the trunk is like dented and stuff that it's a bad car, but really
it's just superficial rust.
yeah. All right, let's pull that old exhaust off.
I'm looking for where the
exhaust.
Wow. This is a lot more than I expected right now. It's like Sunday and I don't want to be doing this.
And you got to be friggin' out at school tomorrow.
Yeah, 6 a.m. baby.
And you can't go there with your exhaust hanging, so.
I mean, I could, but it would sound pretty suspicious. I have the new Flex Fart can.
No, it'll be good. I mean, this is what college kids got to go through. College kids got to eat over exhaust being sounding good, I guess. I guess right now Austin's taking the tailpipe off. Well, literally the pipe, not the exhaust, just the tailpipe.
Just the tip.
Oh man. Because Austin was trying to.
Oh, we got lots more work.
He was trying to take those rubber hangers off, and he pried on the pipe, and it came right out. Oh, so what are we gonna do now, Oz?
I don't know. We might be up Schitt's Creek without a paddle.
Oh, guys, that's fucking bad. It came right out. After a couple coffees, Austin's ready.
Oh shit! That's pretty bad, eh? The only cars laying out in the woods where I can just take the exhaust.
Holy smokes, Oz. Out here, Austin's got the exhaust back together, and my camera died. That's why it's all of a sudden dark out here. But I actually, when my battery died, I actually went on Amazon and ordered a new battery for my camera, so I'm gonna have two, so I'm not gonna have any problems with my battery dying and stuff. And I guess Austin said he's gonna pretty much chicken wire this exhaust up, because he's got school in the morning. This is definitely what Austin wants to be doing at like, I think it's 9:30 right now.
Yeah, I woke up and I was like, shit, about 10 o'clock I'm gonna just stand under my car.
But geez, Aust, how's this welder holding up?
Well, she's running like a three-legged pony.
Oh really?
Yeah, it goes, but just very weirdly.
Has it been doing it lately or?
No, it's just the old Chicago electric.
How much wire have you used so far?
Way too much.
Yeah, you must have used over at least half a pound.
I'm gonna go with 1/4 of a pound.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. Now that I'm looking at this, it's just even more rusty that I should have just... But actually, I'm glad I didn't do that today. I just want to be done. And I just want to go and eat my chili and go to class tomorrow.
Yeah, it looks really good though.
It's actually not too bad. The bottom is a little bubble gummy, but there's no holes.
I'll let you finish up that, Oz. Let me know if you want to, let me know when you're gonna start it up, and I'll let them all know like what it sounds like.
Right.
But geez, guys. Woo. It's freaking cold out there. Very cold, so that's that. He's gonna get me when it's time. It'll probably be like 1 second for you guys. It's 10:45 right now. Austin just got done welding the exhaust and he hasn't even started it up yet. So now he's starting it up.
We're gonna see how she goes.
We're gonna see how quiet this exhaust is. Wow, Ost, are you happy with your results or what?
Sounds a lot quieter.
Oh yeah.
Have to take it for a little spin.
Yep. Oh. Sounds better than a muffler bearing.
All you gotta do is just change the oil in your muffler at least once a month.
Yes. Well, guys. Yep, he's off. So, guys, thanks for watching. That was... I don't know what the heck that was. That was just Austin fixing his exhaust for school. I'm freezing. Austin got a mess he gotta clean up. I'll see you guys next time. Peace!
Perfect. Perfect.